Hello, so today we are going to start chapter number 17 and the name of the chapter is Journey of a Letter. In this chapter we are going to discuss about how to send letters, how to write letters and what is the meaning of letter. Okay, so here we can see the one letter is given. Here it is written, Salman, tell me how are you? We all friends miss you a lot. Hope you will come to Vadodara in the vacations. Regards to all elders, your Shamira. Okay, so here the letter is written by Shamira to his friend Salman. Okay, and you can see in the right side there is written Salman, block C, house number 15, Daryapur, Ahmedabad. Okay, so it is necessary when you are writing any letter, so first you have to write address, and if you are not writing address it will not reach on a place. So first thing you have to do is that write correct address. Okay, when you are sending letter to anyone, so write the name of that person and then address where they are living. Okay, then the city properly, then you have to write pin code also and write letter of your name. So now see, here it is talking about letter. I am a letter. I am written with a pen and paper by Shamira to her friend Salman. So here letter is talking about herself, that I am a letter. I am written with a pen and paper by Shamira to her friend. So here the letter is written by Shamira to her friend Salman. Okay. So we can write letter with pen on paper. We can write letter with pen on paper. It was put in a letter box. After writing a letter, it was put in a letter box. The postman took me out and put me in the big bag. Now postman taking the letter and put in a big bag. Big bag. Taking a ride on the postman bicycle. Now letter is taken from the letter box, then it will put in a big bag and then it will ride in a bicycle, postman's bicycle. I reached the post office, then after it is reached on a post office. There I was taken out of the big bed and stamped hard. Now it was stamped. Okay, in post office it was stamped and it was taken in a big bag. The stamp was of Vadodara, from where my travel began. So when we are sending any letter, the stamp was from that city only. Okay, so it is here the city is Vadodara, from where my travel began. So here the letter traveling was began. After getting stamp, I reached another big bag, and after the stamp it was reached in another big bag. This bag had many more letters, and another bag it has so many other letters, all heading of Ahmedabad, and the all heading written is means all the letters are sending to Ahmedabad. The red postal van dropped me at the railway station. Now the bag was put in a red postal van. The van is taken letter to railway station. Now it will reach at railway station. There I got into a train going to Ahmedabad. Now the bag was put in a train, the train which is going to Ahmedabad. After a journey of a day, I reach Ahmedabad. After one day journey, it will reach on Ahmedabad. I was sorted as per area mentioned in the address written on me. Now the letter is divided into area wise, means there are in one city there are different areas. So in the letter was reached Ahmedabad, then it was divided into area wise. Once more stamp was put on me. One more stamp was put on me, and final stamp it put on that. Finally the postman dropped me at the Salman house. Now finally the letter was reached at Salman. So first we have to write letter. In that letter we have to write proper address with pen on paper. Then it will send to the post box. Then it will taken by postman. It was reached on a post office. Then it was stamped and to put in a big bag. Then it was going in a red postal van to railway station and put it in a train and again train, then it will reach on their destination, and that destination they also again took in a post office. Then again final stamp was there, and then postman taking letter to the person those who were written.